Okay, let's talk about the phases involved with the 1-3-3-1, and we're going to start from the assumption that we've run that first pod on a penguin, and they have chosen to, they've crashed the ball up and set their first ruck in this area right here. 10 has followed the play around, setting up to receive the ball from 9. 6, as you can see, has stayed wide, and we still have our remaining pod on the other side of halfway, as they should have been. And we still also have our extra back row player out on the wing. As we go through this, there's a lot of movement going on. I'll try and point out a couple things. But watch how 9 has to follow the play wherever it goes. Also watch how this pod here needs to reset back into this position. These guys are going to slide into this position as the ball moves to the left. We're always resetting for the ball to come back the other way. So I'll try and highlight a couple things as we go along. So first of all, we've taken that first ruck. 9 is there quickly, and we're ready to move. 9 puts the ball to 10. 10 sees there's a little bit of opening out here. He wants to play to 13. He's going to skip the ball to 13. Since we're skipping, 12's job is to freeze his 12. He does that with a nice straight angle, taking 12 out of the play. So as you see, ball is skipped, 12's pulled his man out of the play. Now we can attack with this pod here into this space. Ball goes to 4. Now, in a true situation, 4 would read that he's got options left and right and would probably take it up to this hole and pass to number 8, and then 8 is gone. But we're going to assume, for the sake of building phases, we're going to say a ruck is taken right there. Now, notice what has happened on this side. This pod has been working back into position for the next play. 12 now is trying to work back into position. 6 is staying connected to the play, so he's been working slowly this way, not coming too far, but he wants to stay connected so that he can receive a pass as needed. And same with 14. So the ruck is formed, 9 follows around, 10 now has dropped back in position, 13 has worked back as far as he can. He doesn't want to interfere with this next ruck, since the ball is going to come out quickly, but he'll be working his way out this way eventually, but he's just staying out of the play. Now if you look at our structure, look what we have. We've got our 3-man pod is set up. We've got 12 behind supporting. He's also connected to 10, so he's always an option. We've got 6 who is connected to, actually probably more connected to 12, as 12 would come around. We're set up to attack this way as needed if 9 chose to go this way. But the better choice in this case is a quick ball to 15, who can attack this hole and put 7 away if 14 comes in. Ball comes to 15. Now if 14 slides over, ball comes down. If 14 comes up, 15 just takes off down that hole. So hopefully that makes sense. You can see how the pods stay connected, how everyone's working to get back into their structure. If I draw a line down the middle of the field again, you can see we've still got 6 close to the tram lines. We've got our pod of 3 just over halfway, and I assume you guys can figure out what this pod of 3 will do next. After this play is done, the ball would swing out. They're going to drop back into this hole to support for the ball coming back the other way. Hopefully that makes sense. We'll go over a little bit more. I'll build on this again, and we'll go from there.